We often hold democracy in high regard, along with its origins in ancient Athens, the civilization that gave birth to this political system. The Parthenon has become a symbol synonymous with democratic values, attracting leaders from democracies who seek to capture the essence of these principles in their photographs. A remarkable revelation emerges when we consider that philosophy, one of ancient Greece's significant achievements, viewed its counterpart, democracy, with skepticism. Socrates, the revered father of Greek philosophy, as portrayed in Plato's dialogues, appears profoundly pessimistic about the entire concept of democracy. In Book 6 of the Republic, Plato recounts a conversation between Socrates and Adeimantus, where they discuss the flaws of democracy by analogizing society to a ship. Socrates questions the ideal decision-maker for a vessel during a sea journey, emphasizing the importance of individuals educated in the rules and demands of seafaring. He challenges the prevailing notion that just anyone should judge who should rule a country. Socrates argues that voting is a skill, not a random intuition, and should be systematically taught. Allowing uneducated citizens to vote is likened to irresponsibly putting them in charge of a ship navigating through a storm to Samos. Socrates, having first-hand experience of the foolishness of voters, faced a catastrophic trial in 399 BC on trumped-up charges of corrupting Athenian youth. A jury of 500 Athenians, by a narrow margin, found him guilty, leading to his tragic death by hemlock, a fate comparable to Jesus' condemnation for Christians. Crucially, Socrates was not an elitist in the conventional sense. He advocated for voters who had thought deeply about issues. The forgotten distinction between intellectual democracy and democracy by birthright resulted in a system the Greeks feared: demagoguery. Ancient Athens witnessed painful encounters with demagogues, such as the charismatic Alcibiades, whose actions eroded basic freedoms and contributed to disastrous military ventures in Sicily. Socrates warned about the ease with which those seeking election could exploit our desire for simple answers. He presented a hypothetical election debate between a doctor and a sweet shop owner, highlighting the danger of electing leaders based on superficial promises. Socrates urged us to recall his warnings against democracy, emphasizing that democracy's effectiveness depends on the surrounding education system. Unfortunately, we've chosen sweet shop owners over doctors, neglecting the wisdom crucial for a thriving democracy. Thank you for watching.